Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and I'm going to be going over from the official College Board study guide for the SAT, Practice Test 5, Math Non-Calculator number 3. So when we're on questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the Math Non-Calculator, these should be things that you feel comfortable with from Algebra 2. They shouldn't be all that difficult. But you also want to make them a little bit easier. In looking at this question, it says, what are the solutions of the quadratic equation? So it's purely asking you, do you know how to solve a quadratic? So the first thing you'd always want to do is look at this quadratic equation and make sure it's in standard form and set equal to 0, which it is, and then see if you can simplify. That would always be the step that I'd want to go through. So I would divide every term, because they have a common factor of 4, by 4. That's going to give me x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And then usually if it's question number 3, it should be as easy as solve by factoring. So I'm looking for the factors of a negative 3 that multiply to negative 3 that add to negative 2. And so that would have to be negative 3 and positive 1. So x minus 3, x plus 1, and that's equal to 0. All right, now let's make sure we understand now. We've just factored it. So this is factored form or intercept form. So each of these are factors of the polynomial. And now we set each factor equal to 0. And we'll get x equals negative 1 and x equals 3. Always the opposite of the factors. Now, I mean, you could, if you wanted to, you could have plugged in each of those answers. I think it might have taken you just as long. But the most important thing on these types of questions is to simplify if possible, or clear fractions if you can. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day. Oh wait, let me pick my answer. 3 and 1, so B. Have a great night.